do not disturb. When my lover is with me and we just can't get enough, don't come knock on my door. I have no time for you. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Do not disturb.
Don't disturb, hey yo, don't disturb when I'm with my girl, when I'm with my girl. Do not knocking on the door, cause we're lying on the floor. Our bodies are swinging while the phone is ringing. Ring a ring a dong, ring a ring a ring a dong. So if you got a message for me, wait some time and have some tea. Hey yo, don't disturb when I'm with my girl, when I'm with my girl. You have no permission to enter this room, now go away, I'm coming soon.
Please do not disturb. When my lover is with me and we just can't get enough, don't come knock on my door. I have no time for you. Do not disturb.
Hey yo, don't disturb when I'm with my girl, when I'm with my girl. Do not call me on the phone, otherwise I break you a bone. Our bodies are swinging while the phone is ringing. Ring a ring a dong, ring a ring a ring a dong. So leave us alone, just leave us alone, my baby and me, but not for tea.
Please do not disturb. When my lover is with me and we just can't get enough, don't come knock on my door. I have no time for you. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Please do not disturb. When my lover is with me and we just can't get enough, don't come knock on my door. I have no time for you. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Please do not disturb. When my lover is with me and we just can't get enough, don't come knock on my door. I have no time for you. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Do not
Don't disturb. Never, 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 never say a word. Don't disturb. Otherwise you risk to get hurt.